Want to switch mobile networks but keep your number? In the UK, it's simple using a PAC code. A PAC, Porting Authorization Code, is a unique 9-character code that lets you transfer your existing mobile number to a new provider. This is a consumer right, ensuring you're not tied to a network just because of your number. As of 2025, UK regulations enforce quick PAC code issuance within 2 hours and porting completion within 1 working day, boosting competition and consumer choice. Don't be stuck with a bad deal. Learn how to use your PAC code. Contact your current provider via their app, website, or by phone. They must provide it quickly. Find a new network and plan that suits you. When signing up with the new provider, give them your PAC code. Your new provider handles the number transfer. It usually happens overnight with minimal downtime. Once your number works on the new network, cancel your old account. Remember, using official channels prevents fraud. Porting is free, so take control of your mobile service today.